Hit your targets with reliability-centered maintenance. Reliability-centered maintenance identifies the functions of the company that are most critical, and then seeks to optimize its maintenance strategies, to minimize system failures and ultimately increase equipment reliability and availability. The most critical assets are those that are likely to fail often or have large consequences of failure. With this maintenance strategy, possible failure modes and their consequences are identified, all while the function of the equipment is considered. Cost-effective maintenance techniques that minimize the possibility of failure can then be determined. The most effective techniques are then adopted to improve the reliability of the facility as a whole.